Think your Google business profile is set and forget? In AI-driven local search, that mindset can bury your shop. We optimized Google Business Profile critical for local discovery in AI-powered search environments. It emphasizes keeping business info accurate and up to date, contact details, hours, and service categories, so AI systems can trust and surface your profile correctly. But it goes further. Using GBP features like Q&A and posts helps keep the profile active and reputable. In AI-driven search, activity and completeness can strengthen visibility signals. For auto repair shops, this means GBP is no longer just a listing. It's a living digital asset that supports discoverability and credibility. Shops must continuously maintain and improve their online presence to align with evolving AI ranking criteria.